So in SAP, thank you. So in SAP, if you need anything, we have to go to the one common site that is called the support.sap.com or service.sap.com. So if you go to the site, here we need to download the all the softwares from all the softwares, any software, either the SAP or non either databases or HANA software, anything, either the documents or license, anything we can take it from this marketplace that is called the SAP marketplace. So here, so it's not the, so we cannot log in here. We can log in only here. Yes, user ID, yes, user ID, SAP user ID. It starts from S00 and a number. So this will be provided by the your organization, your company, they will provide to us. So that once you log in, you have the option download softwares. So download softwares. From here, we need to download the all the SAP related softwares. See here, I logged into the support.sap.com. Then you have the windows. You want to report the incident. You want to report the incident, create the incident. That this all these things we will discuss. This is the license fees. So everything here we are downloading the softwares, right? Just click on the download the SAP softwares here. So download the softwares here. See here. So download the SAP softwares. So here, once you download the softwares here, then okay. So here you will get like this the window. So download software, support pack and patches and the databases. Okay. Here we have the databases also. IBM DB2, SQL Server, Oracle, MaxDB, and Sybase ASC. These are the databases are available. So installation. Suppose you are doing the installation of the any product, SAP product or a database product, SAP related, you have to go this tab. Suppose after the installation you want to upgrade, you want to do the patching, then you have to go for the support packages and patches. You have to go to the here, right? So this is the thing we have to perform here, right? So suppose installation, then go to the installation or support pack patches. You will get the patches here. So then here you need to expand the by alphabetical index. By alphabetical index. All SAP softwares are ordered. They have segregated is in the order wise. So by alphabetical order wise, they have separated the all SAP softwares. SAP is not one word. SAP is not one software. Here the multiple softwares, multiple applications, multiple modules are there, right? Same as like here. So they have aggregated. Suppose if you need banking related software, B for banking, Bob J, everything. C for CRM, right? D for, so E for our ERP systems, F for Fiori, G for gateway. So Hana means H for Hana database, right? Hana database. We have to go for here. So here we need to set the, so where what is our licensed version here. So we have ANA related all the softwares are there, are the add-ons and the plugins, but ours is the platform edition, right? So ours is the platform. Most of the companies, 90% companies, they will use the platform edition, right? So if you go to the platform edition, yesterday we discussed about the editions, right? Editions and so their usage. So if you go to the platform edition 2.0, which means HANA 2.0. So 2.0. So here in this, we have the all the patches and everything is available here. You can see these are the all our add-ons and everything here. We don't require add-ons now. We require the client. We discussed about the client, right? So we require the client. Then select the client. So then you can see here what is the OS version. You can all are Linux platform only, right? You can see here Linux. So here client we can download it. Just click on the, so all SAP softwares, the extension, the type is called the .sar. SAR means SAP archive. Just click on this button, the SAP software, the file will be downloaded. The file will be downloading here. See here, the file is getting downloaded. At the same time, this is the client. So, but our mandatory, The main guy is here, our database, SAP HANA database. So we have the cockpit also. So we have the database. So most of all, we need database here. So database, we can see that is only available in the two editions. One is the x86 64-bit version and IBM Power Missions 128-bit version, Power Vision. So here we all are using the Linux, right? Linux only, it's not Windows. So HANA is only available, or HANA we can only install on the Linux missions only. Linux missions only, right? So just we selected the so Linux. Then which version you are using? Currently 67 is there. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if we see 2 days back, we'll see maybe 68. After that, after 1 month, we see the 69, something like that. We can see the so adjustments here. Why? Because so they keep on changing. While 7 they have released it, so even though they will keep on change it. So you can see the when they have released it, this the 67. 67 means SPS 06 patch level 7. How we will call it as the IMDB server. IMDB server means so the naming convention of the softwares like IMDB. Okay, IMDB. So database. So 2.0 underscore the revision number. Revision 0, sorry, SP06 and patch level 7. Suppose if it is a 1.0, IM database. So 10 and so 120 to 12, maybe patch level 2 or patch level 7, something like that. We have the naming convention. So what is that this about? That after that, this is the build version. This is the build version 8008203. That is the build version. You no need to worry about this one. So by seeing this patch, you can use it. So you have to simply recognize which version of that patch is. This is the we have the 70 patch also available. Then 59 patch also available. Right? So we'll download the lowest versions and 4 SPS 04, 3, 2. So all are available. We'll download the lowest version, then we'll upgrade to the see here after 59 released they have 60. There is no then 50, there is no nothing here. Then they have stopped like this here. Then after when they have stopped, the third month itself they have stopped. So then after that 48, then 49, maybe they will release it. They will release it. So there is no see here versions when they have released date, change date. All these things are available here. All these things are available here. So we can directly download the 7 or we can download the 6, then we can upgrade. So we'll download the 5, then we can upgrade to the so latest we can upgrade to this one. Why? Because HANA installation we are going to discuss, HANA upgrades also we are going to discuss all these things, right? So that's the reason first we'll do the installation of the HANA lowest version. Then after that, as part of our class, then we can upgrade to the latest versions as well, right? That we have downloading. See here, IMDB server, IMDB client. Client means IMDB client. So this is the navigation platform edition. So these all are the add-ons and plugins. So if you have the requirement, you can install it. If you don't have any requirement, you don't need to install it. So add-ons plugins means add-ons plugins means it's like kind of additional functionalities. So some people they require some additional by default you will get the some functionalities in the HANA database, but you need some additional functionalities. In that case, you need some graphics viewer, then you can download this one. Some EPM add-ons, some other related some add-ons plugins. If you want to this one, you can download. It's are available. So if you want, you can download it. If you don't want, you can don't need download it. So you don't require this one. So these are the additional things. So optional things. These are the optional based upon the web ID. Based upon the web IDs, few people they are required. The developers they require the web ID. In that case, they will ask us to install the web ID. Then we need to download the web ID, right? So then more data access. Some this based upon our record, but mandatory thing are database and client. Mandatory things are database and clients. We have to download it. So already client we downloaded. Database software is the 3.5 GB, which is getting downloaded here. Which is getting downloaded here. The database software, so which we are doing now. Okay. So this is the thing. happen here, right? This is the way we have to download the all required softwares from the so service marketplace. This is the service marketplace. Any software you can download it from here, right? Any softwares you can download it from here. So this is the downloading the softwares. So once done, we can also download the install the Hana cockpit as well. That is also nowadays few people are asking. We will also discuss the Hana cockpit as well. So then after you download, what is the next action item? Once you have downloaded, then what is the next action item here? So those things we'll discuss now. So you need to log in. You need to log into the so our server, right? The Linux level we have to log in. Windows level you have downloaded. Windows level you have downloaded. Windows level you have downloaded. Then so we have to move to the Linux level. Linux level we have to move. Then how to do that one? So then let's discuss now that one. I need to change this one. I need to add. So our Linux host name is the SAP Hana. We will keep it as simple like SAP Hana. Okay. So just we need, suppose we need WinSAP to transfer the files. The who don't know, to take this is the WinSAP is the one of the software, one of the free open source software. This can be used to transfer the files from Windows level to your Linux level. So Linux level, so you have the database, right? SAP Linux level, this is our HANA database, Linux, right? You can log in with the root user and the password is hidden here. The password is hidden, just you can type it here, it will work, right? You can see here, this is our Linux server, Linux OS, this one. So here you need to use the commands to practice anything here. Here you need to use the commands, right? So to get to operate the Linux operating system, we have to use the commands to operate our Linux, right? So same as like we are operating here. So this is our host name. So in your putty, just you can use the, just open the putty, just type SAP Hana, maybe if you want to save the session, you can save the session here. Then next time, so when you open, next time when you open the putty, just you have the SAP Hana, to double click it, then you will get the putty will be open here. So just to use the root user, I'm giving the admin means super user access to you, password, same password, you can use it. Then so you can log into the our Linux server here. So this is the way. So now, sir, we downloaded the all the softwares, everything in the Windows. Now Linux, we are going to install it. Sir, how can we transfer? So that's the reason we have to use this WinSAP software to transfer the files, to our remote server. So here you need to enter the SAP HANA, any files, not only single file, any files you can transfer from Windows to Linux and Linux to Windows, vice versa also we can copy, right? So username. Then see here, I connected here. So left side, this is my download folder, and the right side, so we have Linux box. So here, first of all, we need to create the one folder here. So to softwares. So what I can do here, we have media. So media is there. Then just you can drag, and drop. Then the softwares will be the file, the SAR file will be moved to the from Linux level. You can see just drag and drop, that is moving to the here, right? Once you download, then you need to move the software to this location. So we have to move to this location. So still it is getting downloaded. Once it is downloaded, then we can move to this one. Then we can start the installation of the HANA database. Then after the installation, we will get some core process, family members, our family members we will get. Then we need to discuss about each and every family member. Then after that, administration part we have to discuss. So it will go like this. Okay. So yeah, this is still getting downloaded. So let's wait. Any questions from anyone? Here downloading the softwares and everything. Normally you will not get chance to download it. Why? Because it's a S user ID, company provided S user ID, but you can see the screen here, how it will be look like. But if you want to use the software, it is available in the downloads folder. So I will create the one folder here. Suppose like, so this is SAP softwares, right? I will create the one folder like Hana softwares in the Hana media in the E drive, so that you all are can see the software, or maybe if you want to move, you can move to the other folders as well. Once it is getting downloaded, so you can move to the media, or media is the here. So in the Linux, so few people are new to Linux, right? So here what you need here is, so you need to, so what you need here, you need here, so some commands you need to operate. So we'll discuss about the some commands, few commands we'll discuss here. So in the Linux, suppose in the Windows, if you want to see the if you go to this PC, you will see the our C drive, how much space is there, E drive, how much space is there, how much occupied, how many drives are there. So all these things you will see. Just in the Windows, we can operate through mouse and everything, but not like that Linux. Linux, you need to execute the commands here. So I think few are aware of here, but we'll discuss about the some of the Linux commands here. Once you log into the Linux, just you can first command you can execute. First of all, we need to check the, suppose if you want to check the our file systems. In the Windows, we will call it as the disks, drives, something like that. When it comes to the Linux, the same name they have renamed to the so file systems. File systems. You execute df space hyphen h is for the to display. Df means display file systems. Hyphen h means in order wise it will be displayed. Suppose if you don't use hyphen h, it will display different order. Different order it will show. If you go, if you just type hyphen h, then you will get the normal order. One order, how much space is there, size, how much used, and what is the availability size, and what are the root. This is the root which we discussed, right? And root. Then we have root, home, and temp, log, all these file systems are there. See here, yesterday we discussed it. Sir, where is that our USR SAP slash ana data slash ana that we have to mount it. That these are the OS level file systems. Now we have to create the partitions. So maybe Unix guys knows how to do the partition. So when you install the Windows, you won't get all these drives, right? You need to do the some partitions. Maybe Navin knows here, right? So you need to do the partitions and everything. You have to
Yes.
do partitions here. Same as like in Windows, Linux also we have to do the partitions here. So that partitions, Linux person will take care of that one. You don't need to worry about the partitions, file systems, and everything. But without partitions, also we can do the installation of the our HANA database. So it will create the folders and everything. You don't need to worry. But we have to follow the standard recommendations, SAP standard recommendation. How many types of file systems and their recommended stages. So df-h space all are small. This will be used to display the file systems and everything. So df-h is the command to display the file systems. Okay, this df-h display the file system. The document, don't worry, I will share the document. Display the file systems, right? df-h. So free-g, this is for the to check the physical memory status, memory usage, memory status. See here, so free-g execute, you will see the memory. We have the 38 GB RAM, 0% used. So we already freeze there, nothing is used. If you want, we can increase the flip the RAM size also. So we have the swap also, 2 GB allocated the swap also, right? So you can see the free-g and ls CPU. You can see the CPU's related information. ls CPU to check the CPU core sockets, all these things. So here we can check the CPU. See ls CPU. What is your CPU architecture? So then how many CPUs? You have 4 CPUs allocated for this one. Who is the vendor? Intel. So what is the CPU family here? How many cores per socket? 4. One is threads per socket 1. So all these things you can see it here. Just want to check that someone asked you what is your CPU model, what is your CPU order and everything. You can just use the ls CPU. So 3-G, df-h, these are the commands, right? If you use the top command, it will display the so live utilization, raw utilization of the each and every process here. Which process, which user, what is the user process ID, which are using the high CPU and high memory utilization. So who is using the how much memory? All this information will be displayed. This will be helpful to find out which user, which process, either the HANA process or which process is consuming the lot of memory. You can see the CPU usage here. CPU 0, CPU 1, CPU 2, 3, 4. We are the 4 CPUs, right? All these CPUs, what is the usage of the each and every CPU? All these things we can find out here. So top command. If you want to come out of the screen, just Control C, you can type it. Then you will get the prompt here. See here, you will get the prompt here. Then, so if you want to clear,
Ravi,
yeah,
sorry. So, like you have typed top command, right? So once it will display this one, right?
same as like our
If you
task
press
manager. Task
yes, yes,
manager.
yes.
Yeah,
If you press M, it will show only memory. If you press C, it will only show you CPU.
yeah, yeah.
Can you please do that?
To get everything like to get everything in the one screen, we can use this one. As Navin mentioned, if you want only memory, just if you press
Just M press.
m just m, you will get the memory. See here memory and everything here, right? If you press C, you will get the CPUs and
Only CPU.
everything here, right? So you will get the things here, right? So just basic commands. So this basic commands you can understand here, right? So maybe here, maybe Navin also can take it forward here. So Navin also knows some Linux commands. So if you want to
DF hyphen TH, capital TH. Could you please type DF
df,
hyphen hyphen T, capital T H H. Here it will show the available percentage, the space, everything.
yeah,
Mount
same,
points.
yeah, mount
The
points,
same only,
similar,
but it's a detailed.
yeah, detailed, yeah, right, correct, right. So few comments. Maybe Navin, when you are free time, maybe you can take one session for our guys so that some basic
No,
Linux
very
commands.
basic command I know.
Okay,
Very
you can
basic.
take.
I
Just
will just share that comments, no problem.
yeah, some basic commands to our guys so that they can practice it today.
Sure, sure, definitely.
I will
I'll share.
also share some the SAP related commands. SAP, we have some other commands. I will share that SAP
Okay.
related Linux commands. So you guys just start practicing, and also there is some folder creation, file creation. These all are the basic scopes that we will discuss. Okay. So this is going to end meeting. So I will share the details so that you guys start logging in. Okay. If anybody don't have user ID, just ping me. I will create it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So thanks,
Okay,
guys. So sorry for the late today. So we'll continue tomorrow. Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Ravi,
Bye.
could you please share
Thank
this
you.
link also?
Yeah,
Yesterday
yeah,
link.
I will share that.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you all.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.